Valley Career and Technical Center, located in Augusta County, Virginia, is the premier CTE center. While we have a wide variety of courses available, it is our hope that this series of videos will help you find your pathway to the future.
Hi, my name is David Ross. I'm the diesel technology instructor here at Valley Career and Technical Center. I've been working in the field for 25 years in light and heavy duty diesel equipment and trucks. Here we try to improve the students' ability to prepare themselves for the field of diesel technology. We learn from diesel engine, suspension, steering, air brakes, electronics, and all the newer technologies in the vehicles these days. The reason I've chosen this career as a teacher, I feel like these students are fun to work with, are eager to learn, and willing to put all forward to enjoy a good career.
Hi, my name is Dalton Ream from Fort Defiance. I'm a second year diesel student. I decided to take this program to learn more about the trade, and when I graduate I plan to start my career off in a diesel shop.
Students who choose to study these workhorses of the engine world have a bright future ahead of them. From building construction to emergency generators to heavy-duty farm equipment that keeps us all fed, your skills will always be in demand. One potential pathway for students who successfully complete our 2-year diesel program is a diesel technician. The average salary for a diesel tech in Virginia is about $58,500 per year. Earning potentials are based on experience and where you live. If you think our diesel tech program might be for you, first smash that subscribe button below and then contact us further to learn about shadowing opportunities, tours, and application dates.